As the latest go-to gadget, the face roller has become every beauty fan's skin essential, promising to depuff, firm up, and deep treat. But, are you doing it right? Well, in this video, we are going to explain how to use a face roller, step by step. We will also be discussing about some key benefits of using this facial roller. And, by the end of this video, we also share an extra tips for face rolling. So, stay tuned. First, apply a facial oil, serum, or moisturizer with lots of slip. If you don't have lubrication, the tool can pull or tug the skin, which may actually contribute to wrinkles. Start at the neck, and roll upward. For best results, roll up, not back and forth. Roll from the jawline to the ear on both sides, using gentle pressure. You can continue this motion all the way from the jaw to the cheekbone. Roll from the forehead up toward the temples, only in the upward direction. It's the same gentle pull that you would use if you were using your hands to pull the skin taut and wrinkle-free. Roll flat over your eyebrows horizontally, which may feel especially relieving if you have a headache. The simple act of massaging your face with a face roller has a ton of benefits for the skin. Some of the key benefits are: using a face roller can stimulate blood flow to the face, which can make your skin look brighter and feel firmer. Some studies suggest that using this tool may help clear the sinuses, though the research is still in the early stages. Rolling may also decrease puffiness, by stimulating lymphatic drainage. If you store your roller in the refrigerator, or use a naturally cold stone like jade, it will cool the skin on contact. This can quickly depuff your skin, and tighten pores. Face rollers are safe to use every day. In fact, some of the dermatologists recommend daily use to get the best results out of it. Even if you only have a few minutes, you may still be able to get some of the distressing and depuffing benefits. A 2018 study showed that using a facial massage roller for just 5 minutes can increase blood flow to the cheeks. Using the roller for 10 minutes should be plenty. And always stop if it starts to hurt. Keep your face roller chilled in fridge. While most crystal face rollers stay cold naturally, using an extra chilled tool tightens pores and wakes up a weary face at the end of a long day, or early in the morning, making it particularly good to use before an event. It's also great to use for headaches. Use it 2 to 3 times a week, for at least 5 minutes, and you'll see the difference to your face in a couple of weeks. There are many types of facial rollers to choose from, and all of them can be beneficial. Just make sure to know the signs of a fake stone, and clean your roller regularly. If you would like to get one, just follow the link in the description below to find out more about the best face rollers currently available in the market. Thank you for watching.